To understand the various aspects of occupational health practice, let's follow Misfit and Fit Guy, two of our main characters, as they step into their professional journey and faces some ups and downs in their professional lives. Using their examples, we will attempt to understand following aspects of occupational health practice. 1. Pre-employment screening. 2. Functional assessment. 3. Risk assessment. 4. Case management. 5. Health surveillance. 6. Redeployment and rehabilitation. And 7. Ill health retirement.